Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie. Today I have a hot pink and green eye look. It's really snowy and icy and disgustingly cold outside, so I'm just wanting to add a little bit of brightness into my look today. I'm just getting ready for work. I thought that I would film a look before I did that. I am really excited to bring this video to you guys. I've been keeping up with posting twice a week, which is great. I haven't done like really bright colors in a while either, so this is really exciting to me. But if you would like to see how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching because I am going to show you. I'm going to start off with my MAC custom like pink and red palette. I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Yogurt. It's just like a light pale pink. And I'm going to buff that on like the outer half of the crease. I'm dipping into my blue greens palette. I'm going to take this color up here, which is chrome yellow. It's just a bright yellow. And I'm just applying that to the inner half of the lid and the inner corner with another big fluffy brush. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to mix bright pink and saucy mist together, these two guys right here, for the outer corner. And I'm just taking that again into the crease and outer corner. And then I'm going back and blending. With the two colors, the bright pink and the saucy mist, I just mixed those together and then also applied them to like the outer half of the lid. I'm gonna go in with this color right here from my blue-green palette. This one is called Sour Lemon. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side that I did with that one. And then going back into my like pink purple palette, I'm gonna take this orange color right here called Rule, which is like a nice like light orange. And then with the flat brush, I'm gonna use this to blend those two together. So now I have you zoomed out for the face. I am going to start with some foundation and I'm going to use the YSL Touche Eclat. This is the shade B10. I'm going to be honest with you, this is not a perfect match, but I'm going to end up going in and correcting it with concealer anyway. I'm going with concealer. I'm going to use NC15 Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer, and I'm just going to do a little bit of... Hi! And then to highlight just a little bit more, I'm going to go in with the NC10 shade, and I'm just going to apply that towards like the center of the face, and then just a touch here and there. I'm just going in and I'm setting my under eyes in the center of my face, any area of my face that I know will crease. So then I am going to go in with my Milk Makeup matte bronzing stick and I'm going to do some cream bronzing. To set that in place, I am going to use the MAC Next to Nothing bronzer in Canyon Dreamin', and I'm just going to go right over where I put the bronzing stick. To highlight, I'm going to use the Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC in the color Flash and Awe, and I'm just going to mix all three of these, and then I'm going to go in and highlight. For blush, I'm going in with the NARS blush in the color Deep Throat, which is this really, really pretty like nude peach color. And then because I feel like it's really, really strong, I'm just going in with my sponge to just tone it down. I'm going to zoom you guys in really quick. I'm going to finish up the lower lash line, and then off camera, I'm going to do lashes and mascara. For the waterline, I have two pencils. I have the sourpuss technakohl liner from MAC, and then I also have the processed magenta chromographic pencil. And I'm just going to do the sourpuss on the inner corners of both the eyes and the processed magenta on the outer corners of the waterline on both eyes. Now that I have the eyeliner on both eyes, I'm going to go back into my pink purple palette from MAC, and then I am going to take, again, the bright pink and the saucy mist shades. I'm going to mix those guys together. I am blending out the eyeliner and buffing this onto the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that yogurt color and blend that out, and I am just connecting that to the outer V of the top lid. For the inner portion of the eye, I'm also taking the Sour Lemon color and blending out the eyeliner down there. And then a little bit of chrome yellow as well. And then to blend the green and the pink together, I'm taking a little bit more of the orange color and just buffing that on like the center to inner third of the lower lash line. Then for the inner corner, I'm taking the green emerald color from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, although I guess it's like KVD Vegan Beauty now. And I'm going to really, really blow that out. Now that that's done, I am going to hop off camera, do lashes and mascara, and then I'll be right back to figure out a lip. Okay, so the eyes are done, the face is done, I have lashes on and mascara, so now I'm going to move on to the lip. The first thing I'm going to use is the MAC Prep and Prime lip, just for longevity, because I am going to work after this. Then I'm going to go in with Dervish lip pencil, and I'm going to outline the lips. I am going to exaggerate them just a tiny bit, just because I want just a little bit of fullness. And then for just some gloss, I don't want to do lipstick, I just want a little bit of some glossiness. I'm going to do the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. I love this product because I think this lip gloss is so stunning and so moisturizing and just, it smells amazing. It looks amazing, it feels amazing, but the container leaks. Like I'll get lip gloss like all over the sides of it, so I can't travel with it. I can't store it in my makeup drawers. I just have to stand it upright on my desk, which is kind of, it's a little annoying to be honest. But this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really liked this video. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a like, and if you'd like to see more of me, then just hit subscribe. All of my social media links will be down below. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Tumblr, all of that's going to be linked down there. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to go out and register to vote. Bye guys!